Hi to all my lovely kids. So just like every day, I'm coming with DP Kids to show you guys how to do something beautiful and something very simple with a little time. So just like that, today I'm going to show you how to do a nice beautiful bear. Okay, so a beautiful bear today. So for that, now what we need is we need a small circle from a size that you would like. Okay, whatever the size that you would want to make the bear, just like that. Another, the face part, so you basically need 2 circles and then 2 more and then some strips like this, right? Okay, and then 2 eyes also. So let's see. Now let's keep the body to a side. Let's take the head of the bear and then those 2 small circles and then draw something like this on top. You color it like this. What do you think this is? Yeah, these are the ears. So if you can see, after I do this, when you see the whole video, you'll figure out how to cut this in the exact size, right? You can get. Now after you draw the ears, what we are going to do is paste it on the head. Now put some gum like this on this side. You have to put the gum on the black dots that we drew, and then we take the head and the ears and paste it like this. We take the other side also and then paste it on the other side like this. I'm sure you guys have seen bears, so you can now picture how this bear is going to look, right? Okay, now we'll draw the nose like this, a big nose. You have seen, right? Bears' noses are really big. So draw it like this, and then you draw the mouth. Yeah, you can see a bear that's smiling. Yeah. Now then put some gum to paste the eyes. You can see, right? It's a very cute bear that we are making. Right, now we have got the bear's head. Now it looks like this. Now then we take the strips that we have prepared before and cut it like this, because we want to shake his head. So cut it like this, and then if you do it that way, the 3D effect is more. So if you make it look like it's shaking, then the 3D effect of the bear will be more. So we'll fold it and then put some gum, and then we'll see to which part we are going to paste the bear. Okay, after you paste it like this, we can keep this on the body and see to which part of the body it suits more. I feel if you paste it here, yeah, okay, I'm gonna paste it here. Right, now this is how the bear looks when it keeps shaking. Right, now we had to put the feet. We had to put actually 4. Okay, now we will bend it like this and then draw lines. Now this is how you get the legs. just like that. You have to keep all these together. Now the legs are like this, no? You have to draw it like this, and then you have to cut it. Okay, now after cutting it like that, we have to give some shape to the feet. We'll draw a paw like this, and then the fingers or the nails. Just draw it like this. Add some color, because this is how their paws look like. Yeah, now after doing that, now let's see how we are gonna paste it on the bear's body. Okay, take this, paste it like that. Here's the other leg, 2 legs. Here's the other 2 legs. Now this is how the bear is going to look, and we'll draw a nice bag also on the bear's body. This seems to be look like a... Right, now that's how you make a nice baby bear, right? Now, yeah, you can see, right? This is how you make a beautiful baby bear. Now, just like we taught you how to make a baby bear, just like this, you can learn how to do beautiful creations and crafts like this. So stay in touch with DP Kids. So until I see you again, please stay safe. Goodbye.